Everybody is headed back to school. Do you know how to pick good and affordable childcare? Fox 4 parenting expert Heather Waterfield is here with some great ideas. It's a really important choice for families.
Absolutely. It's your child you're entrusting them to, right?
It's also a lot of money for a lot of working families.
You know, actually there is. And there is some assistance out there, so if you know where to look. The Family Conservancy has a free program for parents through our Child Care Resource and Referral program that you can find a list of child care referrals and then a lot more great information on what to look for and what questions to ask when you're looking for child care.
Where do you start?
Well, you know, they suggest there's some steps you should take. First of all, know your options. Like, what are you looking for? Do you want a child care center or do you want an in-home family child care provider? And then also, what are your preferences? What are your needs? What hours do you need? Where do you want to find it? Close to home, close to work? And then they also suggest that you should interview and visit at least 3 different programs before you make your decision. And then use your gut, use your instinct. You know, what feels good. You know what's right and what's wrong for you and your family as well. And then it's okay to make some of those surprise visits after your first visit to see what goes on during the day. So that way you can kind of get a good idea of what the program is and if your family's going to fit into it.
Now, when you go and make these visits, what are you looking for?
Good. That's a great thing. You need to ask some questions. And the first thing I think is really important are what are the ratios? That means how many adults are there to how many children.
And the states have regulations on that, too.
Yes, both Missouri and Kansas have different ones based on age groups and if it's an in-home or a center. And so those are some good things that you can find out through the Family Conservancy as well. And then also, what about the teacher? What's their personal style? Ask them, why did you get into child care? What do you like most about your job? What is their approach to discipline? You want to know, what are they going to do when your child misbehaves? And then also find out information, for example, what's the background? What's the education of the teacher? Do they have basic first aid and CPR, but do they also do continuing education on finding out, you know, quality child care practices as well? And then ask for references. You know, you feel free to ask if you can get references from families who've been there, either currently or in the past, to find out how do they like the program as well. Yeah, and if you visit our website or call our agency, you can get these and much more information about it so you can feel good about making that decision in child care.
Heather.
You're very welcome.
Family Conservancy is a great resource, folks, and we do have a link to their website on ours, fox4kc.com. Just look under mornings.